Hello everyone, it's me again. Today I will use plastic trash cans to grow cucumbers with an automatic watering system to make the terrace really effective. Please subscribe to the channel, leave comments below the video, and visit my channel often. Thank you very much. Cucumbers are very beneficial for humans. In addition to providing nutrition, cucumbers also help digestion, lose weight, and are good for the heart. So, take advantage of the space on the terrace and discarded containers to grow cucumbers. When planting cucumbers in containers, we should never forget to punch drainage holes to avoid waterlogging. For convenience in watering plants, I use plastic bottles and absorbent towels to water plants automatically. For me, preparing the soil for planting is always important because it will help the seedlings grow healthy from the beginning for later growth. I use worm castings and rice husks mixed with soil to grow cucumbers. Worm castings are rich in nutrients and environmentally friendly. Rice husks help loosen the soil, improve metabolism, and prevent erosion. After planting, we pour water into the plastic bottle. The absorbent towel will automatically absorb the water and lead it down to the base of the tree. When the plant is growing healthily, we need to take care of it and provide extra nutrients to promote its growth. To help the plant absorb nutrients quickly, I use liquid organic fertilizer mixed with water to water the plant. So that the plants have enough space to grow roots, strong roots, and good metabolism. I will add soil for each plant. At this stage, the plant grows very quickly. To give the plant space to climb, I will use bamboo sticks connected together to create a trellis so that the plant has enough space to climb. Very quickly, the 25-day-old plant climbed the trellis, bloomed and bore small fruits. To grow, nurture flowers, and bear fruit, we need to take care of it. To maintain the nutrition of the plants, I still use liquid organic fertilizer mixed with water to water the plants. It retains moisture, provides nutrition, and is non-toxic to us. To make the tree produce many big, beautiful fruits, we need to pollinate the flowers by using male flowers to pollinate female flowers. Thanks to proper selection and care, nearly 2-month-old cucumbers have given me many large, beautiful fruits. Now, I can make the dishes I like. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe, leave a comment below the video, and visit my channel often. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.